Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are well. So, from Standard 8 English Medium, chapter number 2nd. Chapter 1 I have completed it. Now comes to the next chapter. Chapter number 2nd. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is Noun Phrases. In the first chapter goes through what? The name is nouns, and the second chapter goes through the noun phrases. Okay. In this chapter we learn about the noun phrases. Okay. What is phrase? See, a phrase is a group of words. A phrase is a group of words that does not make complete sense. That does not make complete sense. How we says, for example, here given, climb the mountain, wrote a letter, sits on a chair, and so on, without the full structure of the sentence, subject, verb, object, that is doesn't remind it. A group of words. Phrase is a group of words. Okay, that is the phrase, noun phrase. Climb the mountain, sit on desk. Okay, that is the word, group of words. It's okay. So now come to the noun phrase. What is noun? A noun phrase is a group of words with a noun as the main word, means the head of the phrase. Noun phrase. What is the main word? Head of noun. Noun in a noun phrase, a noun is a main word of the phrase. Now see, the happy children. Here the happy children. Children is noun. The sad boy. The sad boy. Okay, so boy is noun. Now come here. The main word, means here in this main word of the phrase is word which essentially for the core meaning of the phrase. There may be some more words in a noun phrase apart from a noun. These words are known as modifiers. Modifiers give additional information about the noun. Okay, modifiers. These modifiers gives the additional information about the what? About the noun. These are two kinds of modifiers. Two kinds. First one is pre-modifiers and second one is post-modifier. Okay, pre-modifiers. What pre-modifiers? Words placed before the noun. Words, we put the words where? Before the noun. And post-modifier, words placed after the noun. That is the post-modifier. Okay, first I go through the pre-modifier. What is pre-modifier? Pre-modifier, words placed before the noun. You keep in your mind these things. Words placed before the noun. Before the noun means pre-modifier, and after the noun, that is called post-modifier. Okay, in noun phrase as known as pre-modifier. Now here, pre-modifiers can be of four types. How many types? Can be of four types. Four types. The first one is determiners. Second one ordinals, third one quantifiers, and fourth one adjectives. This is how we go through. Okay, what is determiners and what including the determiners? Determining in articles. You know the articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Here talk about the articles a and the. In determiners including pre-modifiers. Then possessive pronoun. Which possessive? My, your, our, his, her. Okay, and possessive after demonstrative. These, that, these, and those. This. Then function as determiners. Okay, so in determiners you keep in your mind what? Articles. What? Articles, personal, possessive pronoun, and demonstrative pronoun. You keep in your articles a and the, possessives my, your, our, his, her. Okay, then demonstrative this, that, these, and those. You keep in your mind as in including what? In determiners. Now second one, ordinals. Ordinals means number. Which number? See, there are words that indicate order in sequence. Order in sequence. Which numbers goes through? See, first, second, third, fourth, last, next, and further. These comes to in ordinals. Not good first, second, 1, 2, 3 doesn't matter. That not include in ordinals. In quantifiers then include. In ordinals, you keep in your mind first, second, third, last, next, and further. Now comes to the third number, quantifiers. Now showing quantifiers. See which number? Cardinal numbers. Not ordinals numbers is different and cardinal numbers is different. So ordinals numbers go through the first, second, and cardinal numbers. See 1, 2, 3. That is cardinals number. Then measuring words for countable nouns. That is 1, 2, 3. That is we go through the count, and such as few, many, several. These words used with uncountable nouns. Few, many, several goes through this uncountable noun. Okay, and what nouns such as a small quantity of, a large sum of, a huge amount of are quantifiers. Okay, these are including quantifiers. What? Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, which numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then such uncountable numbers. Number means a few, many, several. That is go through this uncountable noun. And what? Such words which a small quantity of, a large sum of, a huge amount of are of what? Are quantifiers. They are quantifiers. Now comes to the fourth one, adjectives. What is the adjectives? Adjectives. See, if a noun phrase has only an adjective and a noun, the adjective must be placed before the noun. Must be placed before the noun. As in a good friend. See, as in, here given the example, a good friend. Friend is noun. What? Friend is noun. But before that, here use good. Good is adjective. So here how we use? If a noun phrase has only one adjective, what? A good in a noun, must be placed before the noun. Okay. Now comes to the second one. Here how we use? Look at the following noun phrase. This is the noun phrase. A student. Okay. A student. Student is noun. And a article, a is determiners. Okay, pre-modifier, main word, pre-modifier. Now comes to few good students. Few good students. Few what? Few use as quantifier, good adjective, and students noun, main word, the students. Now third, keep in your mind this third one. In this third one, this is the main word, noun. What? This is the main word, noun. We go through here pre, then here post. See, the first few good students. The first few good students of the English language. Doesn't give the meaning, okay, complete sense. But here the use as determiner, first ordinal number, few quantifier, good adjective, and here the noun. So before that noun is called pre-modifier, and after the noun is called post modifier. So after the student use preposition and the English language means the noun phrase. Okay, so here main word is noun, before that pre-modifier, after that post modifier. Okay, now see, notice that each time a new word is added to the phrase, the meaning of the phrase changes. Additional words added to the phrase make the meaning more specific. Okay, therefore we can say that each word brings in some changes in meaning conveyed by the noun phrase. Modifier can be placed either before or after the noun in noun phrase. Okay, so in a noun phrase, before or after used. Okay, remember that the words in a noun phrase, it is a noun phrase, must follow a particular order. Which order? See, this order cannot be changed. In this noun phrase we cannot change it, that order. This is the order of elements that come before the noun as per the pre-modifier within a noun phrase. Which order? The first comes determiner, the second ordinals, the third quantifier, and the adjective. We use this, go through this order. Okay, so in what? In pre-modifier. As pre-modifier, first use determiners, whatever you use article or possessive or determiner, or which demonstrative adjective. Okay, in determiners. Then the ordinals, you use the number. Okay, first, second, third. Then the quantifier. In quantifier, you use the cardinal number, countables and uncountable nouns. Then go to the adjective before the noun. Before the noun, you use the adjective. That is this sequence. You don't change it. In what? In pre-modifier in noun phrase. See, the first few good students. Okay, here given a second yellow car, the last 5 vanilla cupcake. Car and cupcake, what? It's a noun. Before that, see, use what here? First determiners, second ordinals, third adjective, then noun. The last 5 vanilla cupcakes, the determiners, last ordinals, 5 quantifier, vanilla adjective, and cupcakes noun. So this form you did not change it. Okay, you do not change it. So here is the information of noun phrases. In the next class we meet with pre-modifiers exercise and go with the post modifiers. I hope you understand about the pre-modifier and post modifier. Thank you for listening me.